Hey, welcome back to Copperhead Customs and something new today. Stick around and see what it is. Reaper. This is a 2001 WH Statesman. So this one is for our American audience who may have never seen one of these. So this is a Holden GM. So it's basically a Commodore, which you guys get the Commodores. They call them Pontiacs or whatever. But this is a 2001. But this is the Statesman. So this one's longer wheelbase. This is like the I don't know what you'd call it. It's like the top of the range type thing. Luxury is the word. So yes, this is my mate and he's selling it. Well, he's just sold it. So I thought I'd do a quick walk around on it. So yeah, 2001. And they're very nice cars. So they come out with the 5.7 LS1 motor. And like I said, this is the this is Holden's. This was the top of their range car back in the day. So they had the wood grain inserts. They had the analog clock. And we see that analog clock. The mode thing there, that's for your speed control. This one here has that. There's aftermarket. It's got sensors put on it. This one actually has airbags in the rear. Roof lining starting to sag, typical Holden thing, and it's our humidity that we have up here. Velour interior, really nice. Electric windows, traction control, power button, the Eurovox tape deck. That's where we're back in the old days. And this will have a CD stacker, I'd say, in it. Air cons, volume control stuff, cruise control, that malarkey. Electric windows and mirrors. So yeah, in the back here you'll see they have plenty of leg room. So they used to use these as kind of like a limo, not like a not a limo, but like a prestige taxi type service. All the government officials and crap would go around in them. So he just sold this. So we'll go around the other side and we'll open the boot. You can have a look in there. They've got a monster boot in them. So they still run, well, they still ran Statesmans up until Holden stopped. They don't make Holdens anymore. So another story. Huge boot, huge boot. The actual centre of the back seat folds down, so you can actually crawl through and see the little handle there. That's to open the boot. CD player in the back there. Spare tyre and malarkey under there. Like I said, this has airbags in the rear because the old bloke that owned it used to tow with it. This was a one owner car before my mate got it. He hasn't, I don't even know if he's hardly driven it. It's just, he's done a few little things to it. Absolutely sounds badass, this thing. And you guys would know about LS1s, how good a motor they are. Have a little look. So that's the Holden badge, but see with this emblem here, this is the what they did on the Statesmans. I'll pause here and I'll open this back. So he painted the rocker cover to match the car. Well, not, you know, the plastic thing. It's normally silver. 5.7 alloy V8. It's an LS1, as you Americans well know what these motors are. So there's not much in there really to show you. So we'll fire it up, have a little listen. He's actually had the exhaust dumped at the diff, I think. There's our dash. It's nice sounding jigger. Ooh, ooh yeah. So this is getting picked up today. He tinted the tail lights as well. And that there normally doesn't have that. That's actually off of one of mine that I had. It's off of a 2013, I think it was. And he made it fit and put it on there. Not a bad little thing he did. But yeah, nice sounding. So anyway, just thought I'd give you a quick little walk around. And something different for you. Okay. Alright. So now this is all in other than those few little things I showed you, this is 100% how it came out the factory. Factory wheels, factory height. So that anyway, there you go. For you Americans, that is a Holden Statesman 2001. So, do all the good stuff. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Comment what you think of the old Stato. And we'll see you next time I'm looking at you when we're back on one of the hot rods. Reaper.